everyone, and welcome to another video. So today I want to talk about washing your down jacket. So this is a down jacket that I've had for, probably 2 or 3 years, and I'm a little ashamed to admit it, but I've never really washed it. In fact, you can kind of see it's getting a little bit dirty. The down is getting a little bit not as quite as puffy. There's like, I think I have cupcake stains on some of these parts. So I think it's time to wash this and see if we can clear that up. So to do this, we got to be a little bit careful. So the first step is we're going to get our washing machine ready. So we want to make sure that there is no old detergent. So we're not going to be wanting to use any standard detergent. So I'm going to open up the detergent dispenser. We're going to go and wash this out. We're going to wipe out the inside of the dispensing tray to make sure we remove all of the excess old detergent. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that, and we'll be back. Alright, so I've got the tray pretty much all washed out with hot water. And now, again, we really want to just make sure that we get all of the normal detergent out of the washing machine. The normal detergent is very bad for the technical performance of the down. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to run this on an empty cycle, just on a quick rinse, just to, again, get some water, go through this, make sure we get all of the detergent out of the washing machine and getting it ready for the down jacket. That's going to come next. So let's give this a couple minutes and we'll be back in a sec. Alright, so we've rinsed out the washing machine. So now let's go ahead and get our down jacket ready to go. So let's go ahead and make sure we don't have anything in the pockets. So I'm going to go ahead and just double check that. Get everything out of the pockets. We can actually leave these pockets open. Some people like to zip up the main zipper in the front. So let's do that, and then let's go ahead and release all of our drawstrings, make this as loose as possible. Okay, great. And with that, jacket is ready to go in. Okay. All right, so next let's think about detergent. So again, you don't want to be using normal normal washing machine detergent. Instead, I've got this Wax Down Wash Direct. So I'm going to go ahead and put 100 milliliters in here. Fun fact is that the cap of this container is 50 milliliters. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 full capfuls of the Wax. Okay, great. Okay, and then we are going to set the washing machine up. So, okay, so I'm actually going to set this up. Instead of normal, let's go ahead and set this to permanent press so that we get warm temperature with a low spin. And I'm actually going to add an extra rinse cycle to make sure that we get everything, all of the Wax detergent out of the garment. So that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and hit start, and we'll come back when this is complete. Alright, so we finished with our extra spin, so let's go ahead and take the garment out of the washing machine. And as you can see, it's pretty flat, but what we can do now is let's turn this inside out. Okay, so I'm going to turn the garment inside out. I'll go ahead and zip it inside out. And then what we're going to do is we are now going to throw it into the dryer to get it fluffy again. So let's switch sides, come over here to the dryer. Let's throw that inside. And now we're not going to use any dryer sheets or anything, but what we are going to use is I'm going to use a few of these dryer balls. You can also use tennis balls if you don't have them, but we basically just want these in here to kind of pulverize the jacket a little bit and help fluff up or break up some of those clumps of down. As you can see right now, it's pretty darn flat, and we're hoping to get that puffy again. So I'm going to throw these in, and then let's turn the dryer on. And we are going to set this to a kind of a low temperature. And then maybe I will set it for about a 40-minute dry cycle, and we're going to see if that works. And if it's completely dry, that's great. If not, we might send it in for another cycle. So again, let me set this to a low heat, 40 minutes, and we'll be off and running. Okay, so the dryer finished, so let's see how we're doing. Ah, yes, that's much better. Yep, all dry, so let's unzip this, and then we'll turn it right side out. And yeah, this is feeling great, and this looks a lot better. And you can see, well, it's maybe a little bit difficult to see, but yeah, it's quite puffy again. And all the stains are gone. And it looks actually a lot brighter blue now. I don't know if that's easier to see, but I think a lot of the stains and the cupcake, yeah, the icing from the cupcake came out. So, yeah, I think this worked pretty well. So there you have it, a pretty easy way to wash your down jacket and restore it to, I don't know if I would call this just like new, but it's a whole lot better than it used to be. So anyway, with that being said, I think this is probably a great spot to leave it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, I also hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you scroll a little ways down, click on that subscribe button. It really helps me continue making these videos. And remember, the new videos come out every Monday, so I hope I'll catch you at a future discussion and we can all learn something new together. So until then, I think I'll sign off. Talk to you later. Bye.